Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of ethical hacking and penetration testing via Kali Linux. So in the previous tutorial I taught you about social engineering through the harvester method, gathering information and then going ahead and creating fake pages to gather the third parties information, private information such as emails and passwords without their consent. So in this tutorial we will be taking a look at the mass mailer attack, which is very famous, and as the name itself is clear, we are going to do e-bombing, or we are going to use the mailer to send n number of emails to a single target or multiple targets, and we are going to DDoS their machine or their emails. DDoS means distributed denial of service attack. We are normally going to DOS their machine, that's denial of service attack. Distributed denial of service is through multiple machines or multiple IP addresses. First thing is that open your terminal over here and then go ahead and type se tool kit, and you hit enter and select the social engineering toolkit, and then go ahead and select over here the mass mailer attack, fifth one, and hit enter. And as you can see that email attack, single email address, and we have email attack to mass mailer. So I'll just go ahead and check if I'm able to create a random email ID, two email IDs, and let me check without using my phone number. If I'm able to create that, it will be cool. So let's create an account, and I'll just go and name everything over here. Need the GDIT. Perfect. So first name would be dump, second name would be person, and dump person 1 and dump person 815. So that would be my Gmail ID, and password I'll just type okay 1990. I am male. No, I don't have anything. And 125. I agree. Perfect. Next step. Nah. Continue to Gmail. Okay, I'll just go ahead and cancel this one. I'll sign out. I'll go ahead and add another account. Create an account. Person. Smart person and smart person 815, and I'll just okay perfect. Date of birth December 12, 1990, 89. Perfect. Anything, let me be female. No, females are not smart. Let's use male. Perfect. 1101. I am not a robot. Perfect. Next step. Okay, it's asking me to go ahead and verify an account. Okay, never mind, I have another account which I would be using. So we have at least one account over here, and I'll just go ahead and minimize this for the sake of it. So what I would be doing is I would be attacking one single email address. I'll using one, and I'll hit enter. Send email to, I'll use this one. I'll paste it over here at @gmail.com, and I'll hit enter. And you can use either your own server or OpenRelay or a Gmail account. I don't have an open server, so I'll be using my own Gmail account, one I created long time ago. So I'll hit 1 and I'll hit enter, and this is one of my old one. fall.kawasaki@gmail.com. Perfect. And the from name the user will see would be, let's assume okay, I'll use smart person. And email password I need to enter, so perfect. And priority yes. Email subject would be you. I'll just put on you are going to get bombed. And I'll use H and enter the body of the message, and I need to go and type end in capitals when I'm finished. So I'll select dear user, you are going to get bombarded by smart person for, let's say I need to send a total of 20 emails, so for 20 with 20 bombs, 20 bombs, and regards and smart person, and end. Perfect. So it has finished sending the emails, so I don't know how much time I have sent it. Let's go ahead and check and refresh it. Okay, hope it is not in spam. Okay, I cannot see any thing being sent out. Let me check if I did not do anything wrong. Okay, spam. Okay, let me do this again. Mass mailer attack and email attack. Mass mailer. Okay. See, mass mailer attack, email attack, single email address. Send email to dumbperson815@gmail.com. That's my ID, right? dumbperson815@gmail.com. Let me check if I'm able to access my other ID. Just sign out. Later, if I come to know that I have used the wrong password and that was the reason I was not able to access it. Okay, I believe my net is down again, that being the reason I'm unable to access or send anything. Okay, I believe the second account I have used the wrong password. Okay, yeah, that's the reason I believe. So I don't remember my password exactly, but if I had my password, you knew how this was going to continue. You would see a number of emails from the specific target you want to send it to, and that's how it is done. So that would be it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I'll be teaching you more about getting into much detail about creating different attacks, and most importantly creating a payload and listener attack. And yes.